but I have a husband. What? Girl, you need your ring. What? Girl, you need your ring. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh no, I got different personality now. What? Are you bipolar? No, no, no. I'm just too beautiful. I don't have a ring. I don't have a ring. What? I don't have a ring. Somebody send me a diamond ring. All I just want is a diamond ring. What? I don't want £1,000 ring. I do not want £1,000 ring. I want, and I'm going to have it. I don't want a diamond ring right now. I want gold. I want everything gold. Drop, drop, drop. What? What? Send me a ring. I don't even want to shave. I'm a wife. Wife don't shave. What are you saying? What am I saying? Oh no. I'm a wife. I gotta clean. I need a ring. Oh. I got a ring in my bedroom. But have had so much of weight. My ring was too tight in my fingers. I said, husband, I gotta take my fat ring off. Oh, I'm crying. I gotta take my ring off. Why? Husband said. Why you gotta take the ring off? Baby, I have gained weight. Can't you see? Can't you see? What? Husband said, what's going on? What's going on? I've gained weight, baby. My ring don't fit me no more. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? But my chest is bouncing. Husband said, oh no, darling. I love you the way you are. Don't worry about it. I like you. I said, really? Husband said, yeah. What's wrong? I don't have a ring. I need a diamond ring. I don't have a ring. I want a diamond ring. I want a diamond ring. If I don't have a diamond ring, I am not going to shave my armpit. That's it. I'm going to leave my armpit and let it be hairy. I'm gonna leave my armpit and let it be hairy on both sides. That's what I'm gonna do. I am going to have the diamond ring. What happened to my diamond ring? I've gained so much weight. I have gained so much of weight. And now my ring gotta come out because it was too tight. It was taking all the blood pressure off me. But guess what? My chest is bouncy when I bounce. What is bouncing? Oh no! I don't want to go out there without a diamond ring. What? My weight is beyond the scale. When I stand on the first scales, the scales broke down because I don't want to say it. Should I say it? That's